Enter Tech City. Okay. Where am I? Is anyone here?
Sam, follow me.
Okay. Wow, where am I?
Welcome to Tech City, Sam. I'm Pix.
Incredible. Let's explore the city.
Mouse car.
Mouse car.
This is a screen.
Is this me?
Yes, screen shows everything.
Mobile phone?
67. Wrong number. Scan mode activated. Object detected. Hug.
Scanner drone? Wow, a real computer.
Yes, it controls many objects in our city. Console.
Player detected. Game started.
The city has started playing hide and seek with you. If you see a gadget, you must say the word. If you say it correctly, the object comes alive.
Okay. I need to find gadgets. Keyboard? Keyboard. Oh no. USB pen? Wow.
Sam, look over there. What is that?
Incredible. A gigantic projector.
Find the next gadget before it's too late.
What a scary speaker. Let's speed up. A laptop bird or a tablet bird? Camera? Whoa.
Look, Sam, the printer printed something for you.
This doesn't look good.
67. Sam, find the remote to turn off the TV. Otherwise, you lose.
I have to find the remote in time. Let's go. The remote is found, but there is no power off button here.
Try 6-7, Sam.
6, 7? Let's try. 6 and 7. Wow, that was an incredible adventure. Oh, I still can't stop thinking about my awesome adventure in Tech City. Yeah. So, I really wish I could go back there again. Exactly, that's a great idea. Enter Tech City. Yes. Onward! Wow, a nighttime Tech City?
Welcome back, Sam. I have something special for you.
What's this? VR glasses? The city is alive!
At night, the city shows its real self, but you can only see it with VR glasses.
VR glasses. Fantastic. Electro scooter, are you alive?
Of course. Hop on. 6767. The speed is too high. Stop the electric scooter.
Dirt detected.
Wait. I am not dirt. I am a pug.
Scanning. Pug detected.
Phew, you're a very smart robot vacuum.
Cleaning completed.
Hello, can you hear me?
Who are you?
Great question, who am I, yeah? Who? I'm
What's your name?
My name. So my name is very... You see, my name is very interesting because...
You are a walkie-talkie.
Yes, did I mention I love talking? Over and out.
Free charging! Free charging! Who needs energy?
Who's this?
That's a power bank. He never stops. He charged me 3 times today, and yesterday 4 times, and the day before.
Okay.
Free charging! Free charging! Who needs energy?
This city is really, really great.
Step 1. Step 2. Step 3.
Who are they?
Those are headphones.
Hello, headphones.
Step 4. They never hear anything.
And who are you?
You are very slow, Sam. I am a smartwatch.
Smartwatch?
Yes, your heart rate is 6-7. 6-7, Sam.
Wow, a 3D printer. Is it making a little me? Hey, smartwatch, where did you go?
Hey, Sam, I am playing music.
Your smart speaker.
Correct, and that's my friend microphone. Try to speak into it.
Hello. Hey, Sam the Pug.
Wake up! Wake up! It's 6:07. 6-7.
6-7? That means...
Sam, time is almost up.
Quick, we need to get back to the real world. Phew, that was an amazing night.
See you in the next episode. Let's learn together.